feel like you want to apply for IDR or income driven repayment plan, you're just going to go online and you're going to Google income driven repayment plan. And you're going to make sure it's not expired, and you're going to fill it out and you're going to send it to your loan servicer. All 4 plans basically calculate the payments the same. The difference is how they calculate it based off of the income. Some use 10% of your discretionary income, others use 15%. What I like about the income-driven repayment plan is that the form is good because it allows you to check the box that says, you pick which plan is going to give me the lower payment. You don't have to pick one of these plans. On the form, when it's asking you which plan are you applying for, there's a box that says, for you to check to tell your servicer, give me whichever plan is going to give me the lowest payment. So you let them decide which one works best for you. All you have to do is fill the form out, send it in with your tax return or your most recent pay stubs, and let them process it. It takes between most servicers maybe 2 to 4 weeks to process it, and then if you're approved, you're going to go